Once a student approached Rumi Rahmatullah Alai and asked, "How should I deal with the pain and suffering in life?" Rumi Rahmatullah Alai, in his wisdom, decided to share a story. There was a man who sought the wisdom of a great sage, hoping to find a way to escape his suffering. The sage looked at the man and said, "I'll help you, but first you must do something for me. Take this spoon, fill it with oil, and walk through the town without spilling a drop." The man thought this task was simple enough and agreed. He took the spoon, filled it with oil, and began to walk through the town. As he carefully balanced the spoon, he couldn't help but focus all his attention on not spilling any oil. When he returned to the sage asked, "Did you see the beautiful flowers in the town square? Did you notice the children playing and the laughter of families?" The man realized he had been so fixated on the spoon that he hadn't noticed anything else. The sage then said, "This is the key to dealing with pain. Just as you were so focused on the spoon that you missed the beauty around you, when you are consumed by your suffering, you miss the beauty of life. Pain is like the spoon, and life is like the town. Don't let the pain consume your entire focus. Remember to look around and appreciate the beauty that still exists." The student understood the sage's message. While pain and suffering are part of life, it's essential not to let them overshadow the beauty and joy that can be found in every moment. This story serves as a reminder that even in the face of pain, there is an opportunity to find meaning and beauty in life. Additionally, with this story, I have a secret to share with you all, and here it is. The heart that loves is always healthy. The heart that serves is always happy. The heart that cares is always strong. And I pray that God keeps us healthy, happy, and strong. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed.